Wednesday, first day back work after my vacation. Yeah, let's go. It's like 6 degrees, so it's very cold again. I'm back at home, I finished work, spent some time with the family, then I ate, had a coffee, and now it's time to work out. So today I'm doing max effort lower and main variation, which I will be maxing in, will be high bar box squat with Olympic weightlifting shoes. And yeah, last time I did this variation, I managed to hit 120 kilo. So it would be really nice to hit a PR on this variation. Other than that, I will be doing Romanian deadlifts, and this week I'm doing them heavy because I'm maxing out on squat variation. So it would be nice to hit 160 for 5 reps. If I can do that, that would be very nice, because yeah, that would mean that I managed to PR on 2 exercises today. After the main deadlifts, I will do front squat. I managed to squat 125 high bar, low box squat with Oli shoes, 5 kilo PR in 3 months. Romanian deadlifts also went very good because I managed to PR. I did 160 kilo for 5 reps, and I think my best before that was 160 for 3 reps. So now I'm gonna do some light front squats and call it a day. Okay, I guess that's it for today. See you guys in the next video.